In 1995, the Berks edition was born, and we opened our newsroom in Reading. Not just news coverage for Berks, but a commitment from reporters, photographers, and producers in our studio in downtown Reading.
On the way to the bright lights of stages around the world.
The 2026 Freddie Awards are brought to you by...
Now the extended outlook for eastern Lowk mountains above 11,000 feet, including Bonanza. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening and overnight, then becoming clear. Patchy smoke. Lows 36 to 43. East winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday, partly sunny. Patchy smoke through the day. A 10% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs 59 to 70. West winds around 10 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. The following message is transmitted at the request of Los Animas County. Los Animas County Stage 2 fire restrictions in effect. No fireworks. No outdoor burning. Very dry, windy conditions and extreme fire danger. City of Trinidad and Los Animas County will issue tickets for any fireworks use or illegal burning. Stay aware and call 911 immediately to report any fire or other emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of Los Animas County. Los Animas County Stage 2 fire restrictions in effect. No fireworks. No outdoor burning.